Oh, the trouble I go to get a photo sometimes. The trouble is with getting a still on the DSLR with this plant as it is now is the depth of field, because I could do that and then my depth of field wouldn't need to be that great, but I'm not showing the extent of the blooming. Obviously I wouldn't want to come in under here, although that's not a bad shot either, but I want the whole plant. So I've got to get to here, and then what happens here is this group up here are a lot closer to the camera than that group. So basically I've whacked up the ISO as far as it'll go. Bearing in mind these photos don't have to, they're not going on the side of a bus, they're not poster sized pictures, you know, they're to go in a magazine. So obviously if you blow a picture up and you've got a high ISO rating, you will see the grain, you'll see the dots basically. So hopefully I can get away with that. That should have given me enough depth of field, but I haven't got it on the computer to check yet. The idea of getting the video out is I can take a still off of the video if I absolutely have to, because the video will get everything in focus. So we'll see how we go. But anyway, that's the one that's my entry into the competition next month for obvious reasons. And I'll let you know how I get on. The competition ends on the 18th, so what's that, 2 days' time. And we'll go from there.